Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see a quick demo with a CRM. Okay. So we have seen more about CRM in the previous videos, right? So we have discussed about many advantages of CRM. So in this video, I'll be showing you a practical demo of how a CRM works. Okay. So we are going to take up the same example what we have been seeing in the previous videos, the test drive booking. Okay. We are going to see that as an example here. So, what you'll be exploring in this video is you'll be able to understand from this video how powerful the CRM solutions are for a business. For example, if you take the test drive appointment booking of a car showroom, they are actually striving hard to make their sales process to be streamlined. Okay, so you will understand in this video how CRM is able to provide a solution to that business. Okay, so you remember all the previous traditional methods what we have seen, right? So you should understand the difference between what we have seen before and this method, the latest method, the CRM based the business, how it's going to happen. Okay, so let us say take the same example. Now Preeti wants to book a test drive appointment. Okay, so she's going to the web page. So this time I have created a web page here. Okay, how did I create the web page? With the help of a CRM tool. Okay, so this particular web page is being linked with my CRM. So whatever customer information this web page is able to get, it will be getting recorded in my CRM. Okay, let us see how it does that. Okay, so I'm going to give the name of the customer and let us have some last name and phone number. Okay, and I'm going to give the email ID and company and city and state. So car make and model. Okay. So when she wants to book a test drive appointment, she comes to the web page, right? So I have simulated that. So now I'm going to click submit. So once she submits this inquiry form, automatically she is receiving a acknowledgement that her test drive appointment, that booking is actually received. So she will be receiving a confirmation email soon. She has received this acknowledgement. So now let us see whether she is receiving a email immediately because they have given here. Right. So I'll be going back to Preeti's inbox. You can see here, this is actually Preeti's inbox. Okay. So here I'm able to see a immediate message from the sales team. Okay. So saying that, hi Preeti, your appointment is booked and you'll be receiving a call from our sales team shortly. So this is actually a quick automation is possible with the help of CRM. Okay. So next, what we are going to do was I told you, right, when you give the data in the web page or any kind of pages which is associated with the CRM, the data, whatever it is provided in the particular web page will be recorded as a data inside the database of the CRM. Okay, let us see that. So this is the CRM I'm using here. So here I'll be going to the test drive bookings. Okay, so let me click this. Okay, let me click this. So here I can see today's test drive bookings. Okay, so I have this option to see. Can see here Preeti's information. What I have given in the web page is recorded here. Okay, can see here automatically all the information, whatever we have provided there is recorded here. Okay, so here now Ken is actually the sales representative. He is only attending this particular customer. Okay. So what he does is he received a new inquiry, right? Actually, Preeti is not yet our customer. She is our prospect. Okay. She's a lead. So now what Ken is trying to do is he wants to confirm the appointment. So she is actually asking for a test drive appointment, right? So he's actually going to confirm the date and time by making a call to her. Okay, so here you can see one more thing, the date and time, booking date and time, at what time the customer has booked the inquiry is automatically is actually coming here. Okay, and yes, let us do this. So after calling, when Ken calls to Preeti and he's actually making a confirmation, okay, what time you want to book the test drive. So if say, for example, if she is saying that on 25th she wants to have at 4 p.m. Okay, so he's trying to save this information. Okay, so here automatically you can see here a pop-up message says that already appointment booked on same date and time. Okay. There is a customer who has booked already on the same date and time. Okay. So it is not allowing me to choose the same date and time. Okay. So now what the sales representative is doing is he's trying to ask Preeti, can you just choose any other time or date? Because there is already an appointment booked on the same date and time. Okay. So she's saying, for example, if she's saying as 5 p.m. Okay, so let's try now. Can see here automatically now the record or the data is saved in my database. So here, if you imagine the previous methods, what we have been using. So we used a cloud-based spreadsheet, right? Wherein Lisa has to go through all the datas in the spreadsheet to check whether the test drive appointment date and time is overlapping with other customers' date and time. Here, I have applied a simple automation. So quickly, my time is also saved, right? As a sales representative, my time is also saved here. And my customer is also going to receive an immediate reply. See, for example, when I just uh, confirmed, when the customer has confirmed the test drive date and time, immediately Preeti should have received a email also. You can see here from Ken, when Ken actually booked the date and time for her booking appointment, test drive booking appointment, you can see here exciting news. Your test drive appointment is confirmed. Okay. So you can see here what date and time she has given. It is actually coming as an email to Preeti. So this is actually a quick response to her. Right. She did not wait for a long time. So I hope you are able to understand, right? So here the customer satisfaction is going to be very high because she is not waiting anywhere. Okay, once she went to the web page, she gave her information. When she submitted the form, immediately she received a mail from the particular sales team. And when Ken was actually calling her and he was discussing about the test drive appointment date and time, once the date and time is confirmed and when the record or the data is saved in my database, immediately, Preeti is receiving a email that her test drive appointment is confirmed. Okay, and the date and time also it is coming here. So this is the powerful CRM techniques actually we have here. Okay, this is the power of the CRM. So now I told you right. So we have discussed in the previous cloud-based spreadsheet that um, if you give a edit access to the particular sheet, the user is able to delete the data also. So we have discussed that the granular permissions are not possible in the cloud-based spreadsheets. Right. Here we are going to check now. For example, if now Ken is trying to delete this particular lead information. So Preeti's information is trying to delete. Let us do that. So he is clicking this and trying to delete this particular data. See here, automatically he's not having the permission to delete. Okay, so here I have given a granular permission that Ken should be only able to edit the data in the particular database or the record. He shouldn't be able to delete that particular data. Okay, so how much advantages we have got here? Right. So the time of the sales representative and also the customer satisfaction is also high. Your data is also safe first. It's also secured. So who can see your data? Who you don't want to expose your data? All those things we can actually configure with the help of the CRM. Okay. So as I told you earlier, the CRM is going to be a powerful tool for your business. Okay. So in this example, we have seen how a CRM is helping the business to streamline the sales process. I have just shown you a small sample of how CRM works. Okay. So in future videos, we will be seeing more about it. Okay, I hope in this video you should have got a clarity, okay, how the CRM is working. Okay.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website. There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistants, visit our placement assistance section, where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.